How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial teaching you how you can sell digital cross-stitch patterns on Etsy and make a lot of money with it. So first of all, I'm going to show you examples of the product that you will be selling, which is digital cross-stitch patterns, and let's click on search to see examples of this product. So let's wait for it to load and we will be able to see the examples. So let's give it a few seconds here. And this is the product. So here we have a whole shop bundle of counted cross stitch, entire shop. Let's look for the popular ones like this one here, cross stitch pattern, bird song, digital download, Etsy pick. Etsy's pick. Here we have forest cross stitch pattern with mountains, sampler cross stitch pattern nature. So here we need to see the popular ones. Another popular one here, village cross stitch pattern houses PDF install or installation. Let's choose one here to check to see how many sales they've made, how much money they're making. Do we choose this one here? I like this, but I like this one more, so I'm going to check this one here. Let's wait for it to load, and if you can scroll down you will be able to see, let's see the terms of use, and I'm going to talk about why I like the digital products so much, even though you are not selling for a too much amount of money, or you're not selling for a high price. But even though you are going to take the whole, if you are selling for $5, you are going to take the $5 to your pocket. But in the contrary, if you are selling a physical product, if you sell for example for $30, you'll have to pay for, you'll have to include the returns in the price, include the refunds, include the shipping fees, include the packaging fees, and all sort of fees in the price. But in here you will just put the direct price that you want to take to your pocket. So here we can scroll down to see that there are no refunds in here and no returns whatsoever. Even though it's not written, I think it's not written in here, but the cross stitch pattern is downloadable, no thread or fabric included, photos showed, please note. So that is not, so here, even though it's not written, but there are no returns or refunds whatsoever. The client will pay for the product, then will download his product immediately, and you won't have to deal with any problems regarding the product. So here let's open a platform called Everbee, which is where we are going to see how much sales this shop made in total, and we are going to see how many reviews they've got in products like this, and then we will be able to assume the amount of money they're making from that product, because the rule says that half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So that means you will just take the amount or the number of reviews, then multiply it by 2, and that will give us the amount of sales that the shop made. So here let's go to the shop analyzer. That's where we are going to search for the shop, or we are going to spy on it to see the amount of money they're making with this single product. So let's wait for it to load. Here let's go to search shop, type the name of the shop and click on search, and let's wait for it again to load. Here give it a few seconds, and the bee is flying. Let's just wait for it to complete flying or loading. And here let's scroll down. I think this is the product that we are looking at right now. It's village cross stitch pattern houses, but this one costs $6, and they are selling the exact same product. Here one first, and they have more than three, approximately 400 listings or 400 product pages. So here, let's just check the first product. You can see here it was listed 3 months ago. Let's see the age of this shop. Here the shop's age is 4 months, and they've already listed more than 300 products, which is insane. These people are really disciplined. Here you can see the total shop sales, more than 1.5k sales from only 4 months. And if you just multiply this number on $5 or $6, you will see that these people made a lot of money. So let's just take a look to how much money they are making with this single product here. So this one's listing age is 3 months, and this is the amount of reviews, which means they have made 30 sales with this one only product. And this is the amount of people that listed it in their favorites, which means a percentage of these people are coming back to buy the product. And here are the amount of reviews per month, which means they are making 10 sales per month with this product only. And if you multiply that, that's $60 per month on one product. Let's check another product. Let's check the second product here to see how much are making with it per month. Same thing again, 10 sales per month. Check the other one here, and here you will notice that these people are making a lot of money. So here 6 sales per month from this other product. So if you just go for the minimum, which is 5 sales per product per month, that's a lot of money to be made. And as we saw before, their total shop sales is more than 150 sales, and they have just started 4 months ago. So that's a whole lot of money, and I'm going to show you how you can create your own products like that to start making money like these people. So here, let's go to canva.com, and here you will be able to create products exactly like that by only changing the themes or the templates that was created before. So here, let's go to digital cross stitch patterns templates, and let's wait for it to load, and we will scroll down to see the examples of this product here and how you can create products like that. So here, this is the pictures of this product. Let's go to the templates, and here, even though it's not the same, but here we have some examples, like here cross stitch, another design here, and you will be able to see a lot of designs like those that those people are selling. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.